Hi, it's Krista outside the Secret Yarnery. Today we are unboxing some, well, I'm trying to go green, or I'm slowly making more green choices. So I ordered a whole bunch of baskets for whips, which is works in progress, and just organizing my shelves, organizing my house, and I may or may not have overshopped. So let's unbox all of this loot together and see what's inside. So here is the shipment. I think I need scissors, so let me go grab some. Got scissors? Those trucks outside are a bit loud. Let's see. I think I have to put this little microphone over there. Okay. Let's see. Oh, these look pretty great. They smell like the coast. So these are made in Eastern Kenya. There's a group, well, I'm sure there's several groups of ladies that do weaving. Okay, I don't know how to get it out. That's a thing. I guess slowly. Okay, there we go. Okay, that is so cute. Look at that. Helicopter going by now. Hello, helicopter. Oh, it's going like this. Did you hear that? Oh my Lord. Okay, so here is basically a sample whip basket. Now what somebody said is they don't like wicker for their whips because it can snag the yarn. And I guess I could see that there's a couple sharper spots inside. So I might line these. I had an idea for making like a liner, like a fabric liner. And then you could just take it out. It would be a drawstring bag, basically, that would fit inside here. So a square drawstring bag. And if you wanted to take it with you, you'd just be like, vroop, and take your whip with you, because you wouldn't have to go and pack it to go. It would be ready to go in one of these baskets. So I love it. This is like square and square. Oh, I remember. Hold on. Let's see. I had these made to replace these. So these are the little fabric-y, they pack flat, that's a bonus. But these little crate ones, storage crates that you can get on Amazon. But I was like, what if I redid everything with these instead? That'd be so cute. So now I remember, okay, maybe I had a plan. They do all seem to be a little different in shape. Let's see. They're handmade, so they should be a little bit different. All right, next one's out. They look to be similar. Oh my gosh. These are really hard to undo. It's like, you know, the stainless steel food containers where you have to like wiggle the lid off. I feel like that. You can like wiggle it one row at a time. Can I shake it off yet? No way. That's tight. Okay, I'll be here for a minute. Those are cute, right? I think I ordered 6. I have no idea. Let's see. Oh, it's another one. Okay, this is exhausting. Maybe this will come out easier. Oh, this is much easier. The other one was exhausting. This one I can almost shake out. Oh, what a miracle. These are cute. So they're kind of all different sizes. Long and short of that. So there is 6 of those. Cool. In the never-ending bag. Ooh. How many did I order? Okay, I like the smaller ones. The smaller ones inside are better. Okay. Baskets as big as your head. Those are cute. Those are really cute. Okay, so those are going down. So that is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Maybe I ordered 12. It sounds like me, right? So this is empty. Are you ready to see the rest of my order? It is very heavy. This is the rest of my order. So I don't even know where to start with that. I guess just undoing it. Look what they made to tie it shut. They actually braided sisal to use as like super strong rope, and they kind of laced it at the top. That's so cool, right? All right, now, can we tip this one? Oh, I don't think we can. We can undo it a bit. Ooh, look, 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 look. This got a bit flattened. You have to stretch it back into shape. Guess what I'm thinking for it? Whip bags. Now lining again, a cute little fabric, little kanga or something like that, inside, and then you just have it to go, your whip basket. You just kind of keep it in there and be like, vroop, on the go. How cute is that? Truck alert. Yeah, so I ordered 4 of these, I think. Those are cool. You can put them back there. Can you see it? Kinda. Okay, let's see how many I have. Okay, 1 right here. Oh, another in here. Oh, look at this. Okay, that's neat. Rectangular whip baskets, organizational baskets, and another bag. This one is not squished. So that's how they're supposed to be. Isn't that great? Right, there's a couple balls of yarn in there. It's a perfect little project bag. Plus it would look so cute anywhere. Cute. Okay, now, I don't know where to start. I guess small. We'll start with small. So this is my big size. Those are quite cool. Big. These are small. Oh look, it's so small. Isn't that cute? I could just see these everywhere, like bathroom, organization, hot sauces, condiments. Okay, so that's small size. I must have ordered 12 smalls. So there's 3 smalls. Boop. Boop. Ooh, look. So cool. So this is a square by square. Oh, so this is the same as my organizational ones to replace those fabric-y ones. Where can I put you? Over there. I don't want them stacked again, like inside each other, like this. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Square, square, square. Those are so pretty. They're gonna make my house look so nice. So nice. I'm stacking them up. Uh-oh, that thing's gonna fall. Okay, that one won't. Now, more. So here's two like this. So they're like bigger than letter size, but like little trays. So these are my standard WIP basket. Definitely have 12 of these. Definitely ordered 12. There's 1, 2, 3, 'smallies. Those are cute. Smalls. Adorable. Oh. Another bag. A little bit squished, but not terrible. A little whip on the go. That'd be so stylish, right? That's a full-on project bag right there. Oop. Okay, these are more of the regular size WIP baskets. Those are cool. I'm gonna leave those stacked because we just don't have enough room. Okay, this is heavy. I don't even know what all this is. A lot, it's a lot. We can say it's a lot. So I'll undo the stacks. So more of the standard size WIP baskets. I think my pantry is getting all these too. My house is gonna look so cute. Small WIP baskets, these are adorable. The small size is so cute. I don't know where to put them. And another square. Wouldn't these be nice for like blankets in your living room? So cute. That's a smallie. I'm putting it in a biggie. Oh, these are bigger. I gotta get these out. These are bigger. It looks like an emporium in here. These are bigger, taller WIP baskets. So these are the WIP basket size that I use for blankets and such. So you can fit a lot of yarn in there. You can fit a whole blanket in there. I guess, like, you'd have to use a WIP tin, like your needle would fall through the bottom. But I use WIP tins anyway. Might have to line them for crochet. So cute. So I ordered 6 of these big ones. I also thought they'd be nice for my mother-in-law, for when she sends us food. Let's see. Get it apart. These are stuck-a-doodle. Not for long. So they have handles on 2 sides and 2 sides without handles, 2 sides with handles. Those are great and big. So I think I ordered 6 of this big size. Those are cool. My 4th bag, my WIP bags to go, take away yarn. Those are cute. Adorable. WIP baskets, a lot. Uh-oh. So more WIP baskets, a lot. Let's see. We're running out of room here. And two more of the biggies. These are huge. Look how big, how much yarn you could put in there. So good. That's like for nice, big, proper projects. So, oh, and this is nice. I like the shape of it. This is a good shape, like in your living room. I might have to do that. I might have to like redecorate my living room. Okay, now, are you ready to see the best thing? Are you ready to see it? Hold on, hold your horses. Boom. Now this I'll have to get wet. Got some debris on it from shipping. This is a sun hat. It's called Extra Brim. Let's see. Oh, it's so good. I can't fit anywhere. It is, look how much shade you'd get. So the idea is, it's like an umbrella that you could wear. I have to like style it. So if you order any basket products and they come like this, bent, you get them wet. So I soak a towel, like a hand towel, in water, and I don't have it dripping wet, but yes I do. And then I lay it on top, and I kind of step on the towel a little bit for maybe 20 minutes on and off, and then this will be suddenly very flat, and you just let it dry flat. How's that? Umbrella, you don't have to hold. A sun umbrella. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I don't even know where I'm going to put all these things. They're so fantastic. I love it. Adorable. So have a super great day, and I'm just waiting for you in some video on top of my hat. Stay hooked.